So once more, let's look into optical density, which is not equal to your normal density. So we know that your density deals with mass per volume, while optical density deals with refraction. So a small question to you guys to show that optical density and density is not the same. So density of water, is it more or equal or less than density of oil? Or one more way of putting it is, oil will dash, that is float or sink in water. What is it? Density of water is more than density of oil. So oil will float in water. Okay. So water is heavier than oil. Now, optical density of water, is it more or less than optical density of oil? Well, to answer this, let's have a look at the video. So we have the oil, we have the water, and we have the laser. So just observe, how is it bending? How is the light from the oil going into the water? How is it bending? Again, just make an observation, right? So what we looked at is this particular experiment, wherein we saw a beam of light from oil. So this is your oil and this is your water going into water. So what is happening over here? A light that was going this way happened to bend. If this is your normal, okay, this is your interface, by the way. And so that's your normal over there and there. That's your normal. That's your normal, right? This is your angle of incidence and this is your angle of refraction. So clearly it is moving away from the normal, right? Makes sense? You can see that. So what does it mean? Which is more denser? Optically denser. The light is what? Bending away or towards the normal? It's bending away from the normal when it travels from oil to water. Okay, so this is how it is traveling, right? So this is not the actual light. You guys should not be getting confused. Now, what can we conclude? Optical density of water is, okay, what do you think? Is less. This is rarer. This is denser. Even though its water is heavy, it is optically rarer. So optical density of water is less than optical density of oil. While your normal density of water is more than that of oil, right? So please understand from this particular simple experiment that density of water, it's more than oil, while optical density of water is less than oil, right? So they are not the same. So these two are not the same. Okay. So you can make a small running note. You guys know the conclusion. Density of water, even though it's more than oil, optical density of water is less than oil. Okay. So this is your main conclusion.